Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we will see how to do a delicious rose syrup. It's truly natural. Are you guys prepared? So let's get started. So the ingredients are 100 milliliter of water, 100 grams of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of rose water, 4 tablespoons of beetroot juice, which will be acting as our red food coloring. What I have done for this is that I have cut few slices of beetroot and I had grinded it nicely with some water and filtered the essence. 2 cardamoms. So now let's add our sugar, the water, and then the rose water. And 4 tablespoons of the beetroot juice. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now let's just open our cardamom so that the seeds come out. So we get a nice aroma. Look at it guys, I have just given it a 2-3 smash and look, the seeds came out. So now let's add it into our mixture. This smells already great. So now let's turn on the stove to a medium flame. Stir the mixture until the sugar dissolves completely. Guys, look, the sugar has dissolved completely. After 30 seconds, we can turn off the stove. Wow guys, look at the consistency. Now let's filter our mixture so the cardamom seeds and the cardamom come out. Wow guys, look at the color and the aroma is really great. Our homemade mixture turned out really well. Look guys, I have made a rose milk with our syrup. Wow guys, look at the color of our rose milk. As it is really hot, this drink is absolutely tasty and healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Bye bye.